Hey guys, welcome back to the caResolve channel, and today we're gonna do the full service for the car, and in this we're gonna change the engine oil, cabin filter, air filter and engine oil filter. So let's begin with that. So underneath, first we need to do is there's this kind of portion where mentioned is engine oil. You can press these two clips and take this off, and after that you can see there's one small screw. I'm sorry if you can see properly with that because it's very congested area, but I will tell you it's a 17 bit. You can use it here to remove the oil from here, so I'll do it and I'll show you after that. So till the oil gonna come out, we're gonna change our filters just now. So first you just remove the covering. What next? You can remove the measuring gauge out and just clean it properly with any dirty clothes. Keep it aside. And next thing, in I-40 you need to remove this wire socket so you have a clear access to the filter, because filter is just here. So what you need to do for this is you just pull this clip up and remove it like that. It will be easier after to remove this thing. Keep it aside and save this clip for later use. Next you need to take a 27 bit, use it to hold it here. Take a long extension, so it's going to be easier for you to remove this covering up. So once it's totally loosened up, to save from the oil drippings, you can just put some clothes here, so it's not gonna drip on the car. And you just try to just get this old filter out slowly and easily, and it's out like this here. After that, you just need to remove this filter out from here. You just hold it here and just pull it out, and it will be out like this. Once you remove the filter, you better just clean this all old oil from the corners and everywhere. And after, what you need to do is, there's two rings, one is here, next one is there, and the both will come new with the new filter when you're gonna buy it. So you take a flat screwdriver, you can put safely here and just pull this out. Just be careful like that, and just pull this ring out. And you just make sure you remember whereabout is located before. Just put it there and take a tissue and just clean this corners again. There's no old oil or anything there. And then you can take a new ring, put it the same place, and after it's good to go to back. Then you can take a new filter, put it the same way back in, and you hear the click, that means it's ready. And after that, you can see sometimes there's a old oil nearby this area, so you better clean it that area as well. So it's better if you remove the old oil, as a new oil will be in an engine. So clean it that area properly, and then you can install it back. So I'll just clean it down and I'll show you after that. So once it's just cleaned, you just put it back in the same place. No need to tight too much, just tight till the end of the cover, and that's it. So after close this filter thing, I already closed underneath the nut, the engine nut underneath for the oil. I can't use the camera there, it's very narrow area and I can't focus it properly. So yeah, after that you need to fill the fresh oil in it, fresh engine oil, and the service amount of the oil amount is 5.5 liter in Hyundai i40 1.7. So that's why we're gonna do it now. So we just refilled the 5.5 liter just now, and we're just closing this now. And the another thing, we just put this whole socket back as well with a small clip. First you can just set the clip here and put it back and just press it down to it can set it its place. After that you can clean this measuring strip. Put this back just now. I can't measure it this engine oil just now because my car is parked on an incline shape, so it's not going to mention properly. Once the car will be down and it will be equal level, I'm going to check the measuring level of the oil. So next we're going to move to the air filter, which is located here. To open this you need to just pull these two clips slightly out like that, and you can hold this and just open this way, and it's based here, which you can see it's pretty dirty and dusty. So the new one is nice and clean, and every time when you clean the air filter you should check the area. If any dust or leaves or something, you better clean it at the same time. It's good at the same time because it's open just now. So I'm just gonna clean it just now. So once you put this clean and you just put the new one back, there's a two these kind of clips there, and there's a two clips here. You can put this back in these two holes, and you just push in the bolt and put it down. Once it will set on the place, same like before, you can just push this clip back and it will be locked easily the same way you put. That's how you put your air filter back. We're gonna do first thing is empty the glove box, and there's a two round clips here, locks here, and you just rotate it and you just get them out. So once you open this, there's a right hand side, there's a two clips there, and you need to press it both side down, and you can pull this clip out. After you get this out, you start looking, this cabin filter is just there, and you just pull this cabin filter slowly and straight out like this, and you can see that old one looks so dusty and so dirty. So we're gonna remove this one as well. So the same way we get this out, we're gonna pull this back in the same way in. And you can see the difference in new and old one. So it shows like this way in. So same way you can put this back straight to the same place. We're gonna use the same clips. First this side will be stuck there, and then you can press it back and it'll be set, and you can hear the click as well when you put this back. And after, same thing, see what you do it, just put this old clip there back and these round circles. And that's it. That's your cabin filter is changed as well.